Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export a ScreenFlow video in 4K resolution on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a ScreenFlow video project that you have been working on. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to ScreenFlow, or simply go to the project and open up the project on screen. This is the video we will be exporting. As you can see, the work is already done on there, the editing. Minimize ScreenFlow for the moment. Now, if you are not aware of the resolution for a 4K video, go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, search for in Google 4K video resolution, and there we have it on screen, 3840 by 2160. 4K refers to horizontal resolutions of around 4000 pixels. So let's just quit Safari for the moment, go all the way down to the dock again, go back to your ScreenFlow project that we will be exporting, click on File, click on Export, Save As, where to, the desktop resolution, we can change from 1920 by 1080 all the way to 3840 by 2160. And now let's just click on Export to the desktop. This may take some time as it now has to do twice the work when it comes to exporting of the video. We have the max fan control turned on, so the fans will be quiet for the exportation of this video. The rest is just a waiting game. And so the video now itself has been exported. We can close out of ScreenFlow. There is the video on the desktop itself. Let's right click, get information, dimensions 3840 by 2160, close, get information. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.